Good morning, this is David Fogel with Computer Dave PC Repair. This morning we're going to talk about whether or not we should uninstall our Java. It's a hard decision to make, but we're going to talk about the pros and cons as I demonstrate how to uninstall Java. This is a Windows 7 machine that I'm working on. Windows Vista and Windows 7 are going to be pretty much the same way as well as XP. We're going to click on the Start button and then click on Control Panel. That opens up our Control Panel. In Windows XP, we want to go to Add and Remove Programs. In Windows 7 and Vista, and as well as 8, we're going to go to Programs and Features right here. And that's going to show us all of the programs that we have installed in our computer, and they're going to be in alphabetical order. I'm going to find Java. And if we have more than one, we want to uninstall all versions of Java. I'm going to highlight Java and then click on Uninstall up here at the top. And then that's going to begin the process of uninstalling Java. It's kind of a hard decision to make. The media has portrayed just recently Java is being equivalent to Y2K. I'm just going to follow the steps here, just agree to everything that it wants to do to uninstall it. If you do uninstall Java, there's going to be a lot of things that you're not going to be able to do on the internet. You're not going to be able to go to a lot of legitimate sites. My advice is this: if you're going to be participating in at-risk behavior, meaning that you're going to be all over the internet and downloading stuff from sites that we haven't heard of, then yes, I'd recommend that you uninstall Java. If you're going to exercise good judgment and only go to reputable sites like eBay.com or Walgreens.com or Facebook or US Bank or Yahoo, Hotmail, these are household names, and these sites are not going to put malicious code or malicious things on their internet that are going to take advantage of anything on your computer, even Java. So if you're going to exercise good judgment, I think that we should keep the Java installed and just kind of remain calm. Here in a minute we're going to talk about some protection that we have installed on pretty much every computer that we've worked on, and we're just going to, it's wanting me to close my browser here, so I'm going to say yes, go ahead and close my browser. We've put some protection on just about every computer that we work on called Malwarebytes and Avast. The program Malwarebytes keeps you from accidentally visiting a drive-by site in the first place. And I'm going to show you in just a second how to update that and make sure that you've got that up to date. So if you're using Malwarebytes and you're using Avast and you're exercising good judgment, then I think we're going to be just fine. I don't think it's time for us to think that the clouds are going to fall and we should run out and buy bottled water or anything like that, like we did with the Y2K scare. I think this is going to blow over, and I wouldn't be surprised at all if Java didn't come up with the solution with an update really soon. Okay, to update our Malwarebytes program, if you have the updated version, it's going to look blue instead of red, but nevertheless we're going to right click on it, and when we right click on it, it's going to display a little menu, and then we're just going to select check for updates. And then the Malwarebytes program is configured here in our shop to check for updates every day. Mine hasn't updated itself yet, so I'm telling it to a little bit early. It's going to call home and it's going to download the most recent virus definitions, which is what it's doing right now. And we can do the same with our Avast. I'm going to right click on my Avast here in just a second. My Malwarebytes is almost done updating, as we see here in the middle of the screen. There we go, says that it's up to date. But I'm going to right click on my Avast icon, and then I'm going to select update, and it does the virus definitions update automatically every day. So I'm going to check to see if there's any kind of a new program update. So I'm going to click on program here, and then it's going to call home and check with the Avast people to see if there's any new program updates that I need to be aware of. And if I keep my Malwarebytes and my Avast up to date, then, you know, and I'm not participating in at-risk behaviors on the internet, then I feel perfectly safe. You know, I'm going to be just fine with that. Now, let's say that we've uninstalled our Java and we've discovered that we can't do a lot of the things that we used to be able to, and we want to reinstall it. Then we'll click on this icon that says Test Java that I've put on a lot of computers that I've worked on, and that's going to take you right to the horse's mouth. That's going to take you to the company that makes Java. It's a company called Oracle, and then Oracle is going to have on their page a red button in the middle that's going to give me the opportunity to click on and reinstall Java if I want to. So I'm going to click on that. And by the way, if you don't have this question mark icon on your desktop, don't worry about it. I'm going to show you another way. So I'm here at the Oracle website, and it says free Java download. I'm going to click on the red button there, and it's going to walk me right through the steps. Let me open up another window here, and I'll show you another way. If you don't have that icon on your desktop, you can go to our website, which is www.computerdavepcrepair.com. And that's going to take you to our website, and there's going to be some tabs up at the top of my website. One's going to say virus information. We're going to click on virus information, and you can read this. It talks a lot about what we feel is at-risk behavior on the internet and what not to do. So I'm going to scroll down to the very bottom of this page, and there's a button that says Java Update. That's going to take me right to the same place that we were before, Oracle's website, to where I can update it. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. Thanks for listening. Have a good day. Bye.